Why choose unlimited mortgage lending? Everyone knows the three most important things to look for when buying a property are location, location, location. It can also be said that when choosing a mortgage broker, the three most important things are experience, experience, experience. While there are plenty of mortgage brokers to choose from, we believe we stand head and shoulders above the rest. Watch on to learn how unlimited mortgage lending, UML, and our 20+ years of experience can benefit you, and then decide for yourself. Experience means listening. From the moment you first contact us, our goal is to learn as much as possible about your needs, your wants, and your unique situation. We ask questions throughout the process to fill in gaps and build a pathway to completing your successful application. We do not just mechanically repeat questions from a script like other lesser experienced brokers are prone to do. We know what it takes to craft a successful mortgage application, so we ask the questions that need to be asked to make that happen. We also want you to ask any questions you have, even if you've asked the same question 1,000 different ways. We want to make sure everything is clear and understandable to you, even if it takes us 1,001 attempts to make that happen. We will answer every question. Our philosophy is, the only dumb question is the one that you do not ask. Experience means relationships. Christopher Pierce, owner of Unlimited Mortgage Lending, treats every application like it's his own. It's personal to him. He makes himself available to his clients and invites them to contact him at any time with any question or concern. He even makes himself available after hours because he knows that most people are busy working from 9 to 5. So he wants to make it convenient for them. Furthermore, he personally reviews every application file, checking documents, making sure all the questions have been asked and all the gaps have been filled in. He wants to ensure that it is done right, with all parties involved from the realtor to the processor to the title company. This personal touch has resulted in referrals and repeat business from satisfied clients who have personally experienced and benefited from Mr. Pierce's tenaciousness and thoroughness. Are banks willing to do this for you, let alone other loan officers? Experience means precision. We don't take anything for granted, and we don't make any assumptions. The first rule is that if it is not in writing, it cannot be used to support an application. We know what the underwriters are looking for, and we know where they look and the stones that they will turn over. This is why we make sure everything has written documentation to back it up. Whether you say you have great credit, or that you just got a raise, or feel that you qualify because of how much of a down payment you're making, we make sure it's in writing and that it can be substantiated in your application. This ensures that your application is solid and that there won't be any surprises. Experience means options. After 20+ years in the industry, Mr. Pierce has seen a few things, which means we know many different lenders and the types of applications they prefer. We know which lenders offer special loan programs or incentives, and which lenders will work with clients who may not have pristine credit histories or abundant financial resources. After our first discovery meeting with each client, we are immediately formulating 4 to 5 different possible routes that might work. After we fill in all the information gaps and collect all the pieces of the puzzle, we have a pretty good idea as to which strategy will be the best fit. We will always lay out a pathway to an approval with a specific lender and always have a backup for added measure. Banks definitely cannot do that. With them, it is either approved or not approved, with no second chances. Experience means success for you and for your mortgage application. When you add it all up, careful listening for your wants and needs, thoughtful questions to get the full picture, a personal stake in your success, years of relationships to draw from, precision and care invested in your application, and finding the lender and loan options to best match your situation. The outcome of an approved mortgage loan almost becomes a foregone conclusion. In fact, it only gets submitted to underwriting when Mr. Pierce is confident it will be approved. And he's usually right. Think Willy Wonka giving you a golden ticket. You can take that to the bank. Is unlimited mortgage lending the right choice for you? Well, if you want a broker that will be forthright, not take any shortcuts, and tell you like it is, if you want a broker that will work as hard for you as if it was his own home on the line, if you want the odds on your side for a successful outcome that's based on a proven track record of success, here's the bottom line. Unlimited mortgage lending is here to work for you. It's not about us and our success. It's about you and getting you into the home you've always dreamed of. So we invite you to give us a try. What have you got to lose? What have you got to lose? Other than your future dream home. Contact us today here at Unlimited Mortgage Lending for a free consultation.